Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. This video, I got some polishes from Madam Glam, and they were for Valentine's Day. I got them after Valentine's Day, but I was also finishing school. I am now officially done. I am free, y'all. I am free. Being forced to be around people when I always worked from home for more than 7 years has been torturous. But anyway, I show the names of the polishes that I use as I use them. So I'm just showing the difference between the baby pink and the white color. I also will do another set using these for Valentine's Day, so if you want to use it for next year, I'll go ahead. But I'm doing this on my 8-year-old niece, and she loves nails, she loves makeup, she loves hair. She's just like me, but she also likes to play rough, she likes to play outside, she can be a tomboy. She's just like me. Only difference is she's high strung, she loves people. I don't, but she was very excited for me to do this gel set on her, and before anyone says anything, it's peel off. She did not go more than 2 days. I even let her live with them on for 2 days. I was only gonna let her have them on for like 2 hours, but they were staying over, so she likes to watch the whole process. So I'm learning patience, as well as she's learning how it feels to get extensions, because her mom does take her to get pedicures, so she does know how it is at the salon. But nails and all this, no, she doesn't. The only thing she does is get them polished, and that's a quick service. So she's learning how to do it. She's watching me. I know that she's watching for herself, but it's really just a learning experience for both of us. It was fun, and I actually want to do it again. I'll probably do it again next week. I'm asking them to come back over so we could do it again, because she loved it, I loved it, and yeah. The angle is not quite right here. I need to learn how to move my phone mount so that I can get a better angle when I'm doing other people at home. But the one in my nail studio is perfect. It just sits above the table. It's not in my way. This one is, I'm moving around so much that I couldn't figure out the right angle to get it right on top. So excuse me, I did cut out a lot of scenes here. Yeah. So right now I'm just pushing her cuticles back with a ball drill bit at 2,000 RPM. She said it kind of tickled. I'm now cleaning under her nail plates with a wooden pusher, and then I'll also go file her nails with a 240 grit, the thinner sanding bit. I ended up falling in love with those since I've ordered them. Again, very gentle, not really pushing anything back. I'm getting rid of like hangnails more so, and evening out her nail plates, while also removing the shine from it so that the base coat can stick to the nails better. So yeah, that's what the 240 is for. I could have used the 180, but I wanted it to be even softer. Like I said, she's 8, gonna be 9, summertime. So that was pretty good. It's just nail prep for a gel set. While gluing gel-X nails on, or if you're putting on press-ons with base coat, you have to make sure that there's no air bubbles. Air bubbles mean it's gonna lift or have fungus in there. So I lifted it really quick and put it right back on real fast under the UV light using both hands. And again, checking also on the sides right there, if you wiped it when it spread, then it wouldn't have dried like that. So I'll have to use that same 240 grit. You'll see me do that later, removing the extra glue around the edges so that she'll have a clean application. At this point, my nail prep is almost always the same: pushing the cuticles back, removing dead skin, and removing the shine from the nails, also evening out the nail shape. That's basically a dry manicure, but that's the nail prep always. And for whatever nail system I'm using, even if it's just a polish, that's basically always the nail prep. And then I'll go on with the rest of the steps. 1 layer dehydrator, 1 to 2 layers of primer depending on the oil levels of the person whose nails you're doing, and then base coat. You don't have to do base coat with acrylic, so it's just the dehydrated primer and then the acrylic. But again, remember not to leave the dehydrator and primer sitting too long. That's why I immediately just seal it with the base coat, because if you have it open for more than 10 minutes, it was pointless to put it on there in the first place. So with acrylics, you might want to do each nail dehydrated primer and then add the nail, so that, or each hand. That's why you see it like that on other people, if you're paying attention, because more than 10 minutes, it was pointless to put the dehydrator and primer on there if you're not putting something on top, directly on top of it, to seal it in there. Here I'm using a pink, nude, mauve, whatever you want to say, jelly polish for the background, and I'm only doing 1 layer because it did what it needed to do. I wanted it to look sort of like the natural color under all the polishing designs. She's so in love with it, and so am I. Like, it looks really cute on her little hands. One of these days I'll go ahead and do like a acrylic set on top of press on, so it's not like acrylic on her nails. But yeah, she's so happy. Again, so I'm showing you the colors. That's Vibrancy, and here's Florist, Perfect Red, Hollywood. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for these. Perfect White. I will be using that Perfect White for Frenchies. And then I got the cuticle oil, and then I also got a polish remover. I'm pretty sure I showed it in the beginning. I can't wait to see how I find it satisfying, like slime, when you remove the nails and scrape it off. Because in school, our teacher, I broke down her nails at least once a week. Sometimes it was twice a week. I know her nails is cussing her the F out, and it is tired of her cuticles. But I'm pretty much came a pro at breaking down a nail set. If I didn't learn nothing else in school, I learned how to break down. But I would also say I learned acrylic, because I tried acrylic 3 times on my own, and every time I hated it and I threw it out right away because it just did not make sense. The last time I tried it, I didn't throw it out. I just started using it like a dip. I'm like, I'll find a use for it, and then now I could do it. My next video is actually showing acrylics in my studio, so I just can't believe it. Anyway, I love the pigments of Madam Glam. I don't know if you guys would like a comparison of polishes. I do have favorites, and Madam Glam is sneaking up there because their pigment is always what it shows itself to be. So I want to do like a flower, like a spring set with each name brand, and I'll probably end up doing that. But yeah, I'm satisfied with, like, that red is so cute. Like, it's fire engine red. I could do like a Betty Boop set. That's like a red my mom would have loved. So it's cute. Again, I'm sorry for the angle. I added her rhinestones, and then after we saw the hot pink, I was like, freak, I should have put the hot pink as the French set, because I like all of them. I like the red, I like the hot pink, I like the white. That soft pink looks white to me, so I don't know how I'll use it as much, but I'm pretty sure I'll find a use out of it. But Yeah, I love it. I love the colors. She loved her nails. She looked at them. She called her friend on FaceTime, girl, and she was and she was like, "You did really good." Like everybody said, it's cute. Like she loves it. She got the Barbie on her thumb. She had a crown. She had a music note. She had diamonds. Um, yeah, music note and a heart. Her mom loves hearts, so I put a heart on her other thumb. But anyway, thank y'all for every time I talk a lot, I feel like it's a TED talk. Like I'm someone who listens to like audiobooks and stuff like that. I don't normally always listen to the YouTube. I watch the YouTube. I have been listening, guys. So when I watch your videos, I am not listening. So all my girlies that I watch or I engage with, I am not listening to y'all. And then up to the bigger names, I listen to y'all. So as I go on, I'll start sending people and like in a certain way and saying who taught me something that I listened to, because watching doesn't always work. But again, I don't know, like I would watch in class on mute. Like I was always doing something else and would look at the screen. I never was only watching YouTube. Weird, I know, for somebody who's making YouTube videos. That's why I was just putting music. And when I first started talking, I was just awkward. But whatever, I'm getting we getting it. We getting it together. We're doing it. And again, thank you for watching. I will be back tomorrow with a new video, possibly tonight. It depends on how long it takes to export. And again, that one is just a nude acrylic set. So thank you. See y'all next time.